The Staff Portal, your team's dedicated workspace. Let's see how it works. Staff log in with just their email. They receive a one-time code. No passwords to create or remember. It's that simple. Each staff member sets their own regular shifts using 30-minute slots. Mark working hours, add break times in between, and choose days off. The grid shows a clear weekly overview, on duty, break, or off, and changes save instantly. Need a day off or custom hours? Staff can set exceptions for any specific date without changing their regular schedule. Mark a full day off or adjust hours just for that day. Managers can also set overrides when needed. All upcoming appointments appear in one list: service, time, and customer details. Real-time notifications pop up the moment a customer books, reschedules, or cancels. Everything your team needs, nothing they don't. Reserv now.